members, committee members of the SB Bohol standing committees. So, move, Mr. Chair.
Motion to seconded regulation of vacancies of all the committees. Including ang evaluation of the province of Bohol. Any questions and objections?
Mr. Chairman, we have to object because of opposition stands that the proposed motion is not come up to an amendment to the rules. And with that, we have to strongly object, Mr. Chairman. We have to follow the rules. We should have a rule. The rule of law should be read and not the practices and the decisions made during this one.
So, since the hearing is an objection, let's divide the House. Frequency of the standing committees.
Mr. Chairman, before we have to vote, may I know what is the reason that we have to reorganize? The reason is just the pressure of the majority, we understand. But my final question is, how much vote required to reorganize?
Majority plus one. Am I correct?
We have to make the decision because, as I stated earlier, 2/3 is required. Because the proposed resolution, as I said, is tantamount to amending the rules.
Filling up of vacancies is that what is provided for in 4.10, which says it requires majority of all, which is 8.
To rule the proposed measure.
Yes, that's why we will present the record says.
But what
We
we
have
decide,
already ruled on the motion for the vacancy.
We are going to get going to vote for the declaration of vacancy.
so I anticipated, Mr. Chairman, as stated by the
What is needed here to declare vacancy and to fill up the vacancy is 4.10 at least. Majority of the members.
Nothing. Those who are in favor are 8. And those who are not in favor, please raise your right hand.
Five.
So not in favor is 5.
That we have to change and reorganize. What are we? Not a member of this Congress body. Although we are the minority, that is an instance
Mr. Chair,
that we, let me finish. This is, I'm just reminding the chairman and all the members of this body that we should follow the rule. We should have common understanding what the rule is, so that we will have smooth, harmonious, and effective conduct of our business. Now, as I said, the leadership of the chairman is at stake, and I don't want that to happen because I support the chairman, I support the governor, and I support the people of Bohol.
Mr. Chair, able to recess for another 5 minutes.
Recess for 2 minutes.
Ang ako pagkakaroon ko sa komite, ibutagan ko sa komite ang pagkakaroon ng daran. Sa akin na yung kampanya, musipisyo ko sa mga plano, nagkaroon ng pagkakaroon sa mga gusto ko trabaho. Hilangin ang almost 2 hours. Thank you. Ako trabaho. Di po na mabuting ni suggest ko for reorganization. And like for example for me, I want to be a member sa committee sa tourism, the environmental protection, and so on and so forth. So that is why I am in mind to reorganize the standing committee of the SB Bohol subcommittees. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
okay, Mr. Chair, we now proceed to the next.
Busy ka. Because of the content.
Lahat sila. So why order approve? Why object me? We have to object. Mr. Chairman, we will object. That is why I know there was an order. No order. We have to object because we want to object. There is no way.
I have already ordered, I have already banked the gavel. That was the last move.
Wala man daw kung object. O, may object.
Relax kasi. Relax kasi, no?
Mr. Chair, I move for a recess, Mr. Chair.